Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, what a shock transfer. What a surprise transfer. Guys, Chelsea sell our best midfielder. Kernan Hall. I can't believe this, guys. Chelsea sell Enzo Maresca's son. If Chelsea can sell Kernan, then it means that Chelsea can sell anybody. Chelsea can even sell us. I'm telling you, guys, I never see this transfer coming. No, I never see it come. How on earth Chelsea selling Enzo Maresca's son? How? Guys, no rumors, nothing. No anything about Kernan going to any place. Boom, completed. Here we go. Kernan Hall to Everton. Guys, as I said, I can't believe this. And in fact, I will miss Kernan. I will miss my Kernan, and we are going to miss our Kernan. Yes, especially his name. I like Kernan Hall. Ladies and gentlemen, Kernan Hall moved to Everton. Yes, done and dusted. Everton will pay 25 million for him, but when we add Aarons, it will go to 28 million or 29 million. Yes, from Fabrizio. Kernan to Chelsea is done and dusted, completed. Here we go. Surprise signing, no rumors about it. Boom, it has completed. And let's look at this player. He has been in Chelsea for one season, guys. Yes, last season Chelsea signed him, and this season he is leaving. What did Kernan gave to Chelsea within his one season period? When you look at Kernan, in fact, some of us, the time Chelsea was signing him, the expectation was there because he was a Premier League proven player at that time. Yes, with Leicester City. Yes, on form Leicester City. He was among those squad. So for me, when Chelsea was signing him, yes, I was even looking at him to come and be a first team player. And even looking at our squad at that time, I was looking at him to come and be a leader, experienced player. But indeed, there is a huge difference playing for Chelsea and playing for Leicester City, or playing for a big team and playing for a small team. So when Kernan came, he didn't pick it as we were thinking. Yes, he will come and pick it, but he wasn't bad. He wasn't, let me say, poor. Yes, he was average and okay. And it came to a time that Kernan himself understood that, okay, I can't play ahead of Caicedo, neither Enzo Fernandez. So I am ready. I am okay to be a bench player. Yes, and to some extent, Kernan helped us a lot. Any game that we want to manage, yes, and close the game with a win, Enzo Maresca will bring Kernan in to come and add that numbers into our midfield, to come and add that squad depth into our midfield. So Kernan helped Chelsea, I'm telling you, especially this Club World Cup. Some games, yes, Enzo Maresca brought him in to manage the game, to stabilize the game. So I think Kernan brought something to Chelsea. He gave us something within his one season, 1 year period in Chelsea, I'm telling you. And he won Conference League and won Club World Cup trophy. And I don't know, football is football, but I don't think he will get it in his career again. Yes, especially the team that he go to, Everton. No. What he will only get in Everton is playing time. Yes, for Everton, to be honest, Kernan is walking straight to their starting 11. No doubt about it. And also, Kernan leaving, for me, I believe that Enzo Maresca and the owners, they want to give Esugo and Andre Santos the playing time. Yes, I see, or this is another reason why Chelsea sell him. I'm telling you. Because see, Santos is a good player. Esugo, when given the playing time, he is going to improve. For me, when I just see Esugo, like, I can't differentiate him from Moses Caicedo. His playing style, his tackling, his profile almost look the same as Moses Caicedo, homogeneous. So for me, I believe that Chelsea is selling, or Chelsea letting Kernan leave is to give space or open space for Andre Santos and Esugo, and that will be good, because some of us, especially Chelsea fans, we already fell in love with Andre Santos. So next season we must see Santos play. I remember during the Club World Cup tournament, Chelsea fans was going hard for Enzo Maresca not starting him, not playing him. So indeed, Andre Santos and Esugo, they must get playing time next season. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Chelsea selling Kernan Hall to Everton. Do you think it's a good signing, or do you think Chelsea is supposed to keep him? Let me hear from you under the comment section. And let's come to another important outgoing transfer. But before we go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Let's come to Lesley Okochukwu. Lesley Okochukwu. I know some fans even forget about this player. He is still our player. He is back on loan. And as we are speaking now, his deal also completed. Done and dusted. Lesley Okochukwu, here we go to Burnley. Here we go to Burnley. And Burnley will pay 20 million for Lesley Okochukwu. And in fact, guys, this transfer window, our sporting directors, they are doing a super business. Marvelous business. See, I supposed to get a video, a separate video for them, so that I will come and do calculations. Yes, the selling, the fee, the profit we made. Maybe at the ending part of this transfer window, I will come up with a video like that, so that we'll talk about them. This summer, this transfer window, they are, yes, let's give credit to them. When things wasn't going well, we went hard on them. Now that they are doing good business, we have to say it. We have to say it. We shouldn't be hypocrites. I'm telling you. This summer, they are doing super job. Imagine 20 million for Lesley. We even forget about him. Now, Burnley paid 20 million for him. And he's about to do his medical there. That is a good business. That is a good business. For me, I was thinking about how Chelsea will sell all these players. I'm telling you, even Broja, Chelsea sold Broja. We still made some huge profit on Broja. And Broja is academy player. Imagine. So Chelsea made huge pure profit on Broja. So see, guys, our sporting directors and the owners, this summer, they spot on. They just got it right. I'm telling you. So, guys, Lesley Okochukwu also to Burnley completed. He's about to do his medicals. Let me hear from you under the comment section that transfer also. And let's come to another important outgoing, which is Kenechukwu Wemeka. Kenechukwu Wemeka. In fact, for Kennedy, I am even surprised English teams are not asking of him. This guy is a good player. He is a baller. On the feet, he is good. He can control the ball. Yes, he had the ball control, everything, his decision making. But just that our Chelsea, the midfield is overcrowded. Even in European football, no team has a better midfield more than Chelsea. So it will be difficult for Kane to come and play. Yes, if not because of that, for me, I will even let Chelsea to keep him. I will let Kane to stay. The guy is a good player. And Kane is also a versatile midfielder. He can play as attacking midfielder, central midfielder. I'm telling you. And sometimes even DM. So Kane is a good player. And that is why I said I don't know the reason why Premier League teams don't want to sign him. I'm telling you. So guys, information said that Dortmund are back. Yes, they are back to reactivate the signing of Kane. And let's see, because they ran away because of the 40 million. So let's see, because they are back. Maybe they are back with the 40 million. If not that, they should go back. Yes. Borussia Dortmund. You use our player on loan. He helped you a lot. Yes, he gave you that good performance. And now we said, bring just 40 million. 40 million. How much do you sell? Do you sell Gittins? Over the past year, look at the selling you have been doing, the profit you are making. Bellingham and co. And now bring 40 million and take a good player like Kenny. And it is a problem. And don't be surprised. Even if they can sign Kenny and next 2 seasons to come, they will be selling Kenny to any team 70 million or 60 million. Yes, we know. So, Dortmund, bring the 40 million and take the best midfielder in the world. So Dortmund, bring the 40 million, or you rather bring the 40 million and take the best midfielder in the world. I'm telling you. So guys, Dortmund is back. They want to sign Kenechukwu Emeka, and RB Leipzig also asked about him during the conversation, yes, between them and Xavi Simon transfer. So Leipzig also interested to sign him, and Dortmund also interested. So 2 teams. And Kane also, I'm seeing him leaving. At the end of the day, Chelsea will sell him. For this transfer window, we are not joking. Yes, we are selling everybody. And I'm telling you, Chelsea will sell and Sterling. For me, what I'm seeing, I now believe our owners and the sporting directors. Yes, they know how to do the business. And Sterling, maybe, let's see. Maybe if Saudi can come and take him. And even Vega, I heard Al Hilal want to sign him. So let's see. At the end of the day, all these jobs, yes, we'll sell them and balance our books. And guys, Alejandro Garnacho and Xavi Simon. Chelsea is working to sign both players. I'm telling you. Chelsea is talking to United. Yes, not official but sent yet. The same as Xavi Simon. But internally, Chelsea is doing talks. Even earlier information came that Chelsea did a research about Garnacho's attitude. At the end, they didn't see anything wrong with Garnacho's attitude. That showed that Chelsea really interested. So guys, Chelsea will sign Alejandro Garnacho. I'm telling you. See, at the end of the day, if Chelsea doesn't sign him, I will be surprised. Even Fabrizio posted about his transfer to Chelsea. Garnacho like it. Garnacho like that post. It means that Garnacho himself want to join Chelsea. So many teams came for Garnacho, and Garnacho told them that, hey, don't come, run away. I want to come to Chelsea and win trophies. I want to come to Chelsea. I want to join the best team in the world, the best club in the world. So guys, Alejandro Garnacho. Chelsea is having talks internally, yes, at the backyard to bring him plus Xavi Simon. And Xavi Simon also is all about the fee. Yes, the fee RB Leipzig is calling for 60 million what and what. No, Chelsea don't want to pay it. Yes, so they are still having that negotiation. And even currently, Simon also now said that I am sick and tired of this transfer. Now I want to go. Now I want to leave. RB Leipzig, sell me. I want to go to Chelsea. I want to go and win the Champions League. I want to go and win the Champions League. I want to go and win the Premier League. I want to go and join the best club in the world. So now Xavi Simon is pushing to leave. He informed Leipzig that he is sick and tired. Yes, he wants to go to Chelsea. Even when Chelsea official announced Heto transfer to Chelsea, he like it. Xavi Simon also like it. You see, now everybody is liking Chelsea. Everybody is liking Chelsea. Garnacho is liking. Xavi Simon is liking. Very soon, Rodrigo will like. I'm telling you, very soon, Isaac will like. Any transfer that we want, that player, don't joke. And even you see Sesko, United and Newcastle, they are battling who is about to sign Sesko. If Chelsea today, we enter into that deal, Sesko is picking Chelsea all day. But for now, we are doing outgoings. Chelsea is no more talking about bringing more attackers. Yes, after the outgoings, Chelsea will then judge and see. Even our goalkeeper, they will still come back to that. Yes, because Robert Sanchez, it is looking like everybody forget about him. No, they haven't forget about him. They want to do the selling, the outgoings in order to balance the books. Then they will come back to our attack and the goalkeeping position. So guys, that is the latest for Xavi Simon and Alejandro Garnacho transfers to Chelsea. And latest for Benjamin Sesko, as we are speaking now, Newcastle, for them, they even sent their official buy to Leipzig for Sesko. I heard 75 million to 80 million. But for United, they are waiting to hear from the player camp whether he will join them before they then send their bid. But for Newcastle, they already sent their bid 75 million to 80 million. So they are waiting to hear from Sesko. And United, they haven't sent who. They are waiting to hear from Sesko, green light or personal terms. If he will join them, there they will send their fee or their buy. So that is the latest for Benjamin Sesko transfer to Newcastle or Manchester United. I'm telling you, that is the latest. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about all what we discussed in this video. Yes, and during the course of the day, if any latest transfer news come about Chelsea or related to Chelsea, I will let you know on this channel, Football Lions. So please tell another football fan, another Chelsea fan about this channel, Football Lions. And don't forget to hit the like button, turn on the notification bell. When any new video comes, you'll be the first person to see it. And hit the subscription button. Take care, peace.